Hi guys! Thank you again. Thank you to check in on my channel. Ito po si Arlen Donaldson. I'm real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. So my topic for today is what does the forbearance mean, right? So pag meron po kayong loan ngayon ng forbearance, keep in mind that you're gonna think really about what is your exit strategy because of the forbearance. I will read it to you what is that forbearance mean to you, okay? Forbearance is a mortgage servicer. A lender allow you temporarily pay your mortgage at the lower payment or pause payment your mortgage. You will have to pay the payment or you will have to pay the payment reduction. I'm reading, okay? Or pause the payment back later. Forbearance is not erase the amount that you owe in your mortgage. So as I'm reading this one po, ibig sabihin, the forbearance is not erasing the amount that you owe in your mortgage. Hindi po ibig sabihin na naka-forbearance ka is na-erase na yung iyong utang or you will not pay the entire year of forbearance. Just be very careful. Nautal na ako. Careful about if you have the forbearance right now, think about it. Today is April 19. I think this is the last day for you to extend if you want to extend the forbearance, or this is the last day for you if you are already nag-file ka na before and thinking if you're gonna be extending for 3, 9, 12 months for the forbearance, and what are the other options. I will discuss it to you, the other options for you about the forbearance. Okay, so I have here a five another options for you about the forbearance. So if you're really thinking about your forbearance right now, what is really the good options? It depends to your financial stability right now. So I make you bigger, bigyan ko po kayo ng bigger picture about it, and how can I help you about the decision making for the forbearance. So number 1 is full repayment, which one-time lump sum payment. Whatever, kung ilan po yung months na na-miss nyo, 1 year, 6 months, or whatever, you can pay a full repayment, which is one-time lump sum option. O, talo-talo na ako. This is, we need to pay the entire amount of money plus the mortgage. If you have money for that kind of money to put a lump sum for all the payment that you miss plus the mortgage on that month, good for you, do it. That's the best thing for you to recover on that lump sum, okay? So the next one is intermittent payment, which is you arrange the payment on the several payment or server over 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. Intermittent payment, you need to arrange the repayment within 3, 6, or 12 months payments, whichever makes most sense to your financial opportunity or affordability at this time. Make sure that you really talk to the lender about it, to talk to your bank about it, so we don't have any problem about the intermittent repayment within 9, 6, or 12 months for the forbearance. So number 3 is lengthen your loan terms. Means that pay off the missed amount at the end of the extended loan terms, which is additional mortgage payment. What's that mean po? Pahabain lang po natin yung loan term, yung loan kung ilan pahabain natin, and then mag-additional lang kayo ng, example, if you're paying 1,500 already sa mortgage nyo, you can pay, you can do what we call the relenting pahabain is, example, you pay 1,000, pahabain lang po natin yung length ng inyong loan, make it like 1,700 a month for you to cover all the the forbearance or the, pinahaba nyo yung loan, pero dinagdagan nyo yung bayad. Pwede po yun. Another one is, number 4 is payment deferral. This is the option if you miss the amount in some, you refinance at the end of the long term. Kailangan nyo din pong ang tawag dito, payment deferral. So, pag may mga na-miss nyo na po yung bayad for the loan, so ito po ay babayaran nyo to sa end ng loan. If your mortgage lender is really cooperative with you about this. And make sure you check your credit score din po. Make sure you check your credit score if your credit score not damaging with this forbearance. Ako po ay really careful this time to say about it, because this is not an easy topic for me to discuss, but we are here to help you, to guide you to as much as possible po save your equity of your home na hinulog nyo na. Okay, so if you're in forbearance right now and you cannot, another one, I have the last one for you, is pursue the loan modification. Ito po ay bibigyan kayo ng loan modification. So this is to help the borrower who are at risk to default changes their mortgage term, usually including the lower interest rate, reduce the length of the loan, or reduce monthly payment. Ito po ay another then is pursue your loan modification. Kung kailangan pong babaan your mortgage, example ngayon, nakuha niyo yung loan nyo ng, example, this is just rough number, 4.5%. And then, in-apply nyo po ng loan modification because right now is lowest interest rate here right now in April 2021. Ina-approve kayo for that lower interest rate. You can do that one too. But right now, I make sure you guys, now you really check your credit score. Make sure you're not damaging your credit. Once na natapos niyo na po your forbearance or you're in the forbearance, make sure that you're really vigilant in your credit. Once the credit will be ruined for you, both of you, mahirapan po kayo makakuha ng rent, mahirapan kayo makabili ng bahay again, and then your credit score gonna be super affected. So, for me, for your equity na na-build nyo na po dun sa bahay, na hindi nyo kaya ngayon na bayaran, I mean, this is a big payment, just be honest, right? Example, for a year forbearance, 6 months forbearance, and then on the top of that one, you need to be updated on your mortgage payment. This is a big money, right? Where we get that one? In this pandemic time, right? Karamihan sa atin, nahirapan na nga tayo magbayad ng loan, right? Nahirapan na tayo magbayad ng mortgage. So another choice niyan, before matapos po yung forbearance, I'll suggest for you to either this is the best for your credit, this is the best, I mean, this is my personal opinion po, is either you sell your house before the end of the forbearance, so at least you pay kung ano man yung amount na na-miss ninyo or amount na nandun kayo sa forbearance, mabayaran po ninyo yun pag na-sold na yung bahay. And then at the end of the day, you get the equity of the house na naihulog nyo na, nakuha nyo po yung magandang credit score nyo, and if you can go back again to normal job, sooner or later we will be back to the, I'm hoping that sooner or later you get back to the good economy for your situation right now. If you're in this situation for this one, my heart is for you guys, and this is not easy. Hindi po ito madali talagang desisyon, but me as your agent po, and as with my heart, and nandito po ako sa industry ngayon, and I'm also an investor, I really think that this is the best hearting feeling for me to discuss it to you about the forbearance. And sell your home po kung hindi nyo mababayaran with this, the option na binigay ko sa inyo. Sell your home so you can get the equity that you build already, that you can have the, walang nasira po yung credit ninyo, and at the end of the day po, you can buy a house again 3 or 4 or 5 years from now. So hope you guys learn from this topic. Ito pong topic na ito is really like in my heart. And guys, think about it, double check, and I will do a lot of research about the forbearance also in the market. So kung kayo po ay here in Dallas, Texas, or have a family friends here in Dallas, Texas, and have this situation right now with the forbearance, you need to talk to your lender, the mortgage lender, the bank. And I mean, you call me, how can I help you for this specific topic po? So may mga client ako na nagtatanong sa akin na, Arlen, anong gagawin ko? Naka-forbearance ako for 6 months, wala akong pambayad na. Of course, it's a big money. I completely understand. So my personal opinion, ngayon and the best time mo you sell your house for you to get the equity, the home equity that you build in already, and at the same time, hindi po nasira yung credit nyo. So hope you guys learn from this topic, and if you have more questions, ako po si Arlen, ako ay nandito sa Dallas, Texas, and this is my area, and I love to guide you with the process, and hopefully I can help you in the near future. So thank you